Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY charcoal facial soap. If you want to know how I came up with this soap, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here I have different types of oil, which makes 250 ml of oil. Here I have castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and palm kernel oil. So this is vitamin E oil capsule. So I'll be putting 2 of vitamin E oil capsule in the oil. Then I'll be mixing very well. So I'm adding lye water. Be careful not to allow the lye water touch you. So keep stirring until well blended. So I think it's okay. Here I have 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'll be adding honey. And I'll mix till well blended. So just take your time to mix very well. So it's okay. This is 2 tablespoons activated charcoal. So I'll be pouring it into the soap, and I'll be mixing till well mix. Take your time to mix till very well incorporated. It's very important. So this is it. It's okay. So the next thing I'll be doing is to pour it into a mold. So I'm using a soap dish. So this is our soap. So we'll be leaving this for 24 hours to unmold the soap. Here is the soap after 24 hours. So the soap should stay for 24 hours before you unmold it. Alright, because by 24 hours it will be kind of loosened and easy to unmold. So let's unmold our soap. So here is our DIY charcoal facial soap. Isn't this looking great? So you can come up with this yourself. This is a very effective soap when it comes to removing scars like acne scars, pimple scars. You know, charcoal has a whitening agent that helps get rid of scars, blemishes and all the rest of them. And with the oils added, the oils are used: castor oil, olive oil, palm kernel oil. With the combination of this oil, including coconut oil, these are very great oils when it comes to skincare. Alright, so this soap will help get rid of those blemishes and keep your face, acne free and smooth. So make sure you leave this soap for 4 weeks before using. Don't use immediately, like I would always say. You're going to leave it for 4 weeks for it to be lye free before you can be able to use the soap. Don't use immediately. So please take note of this. So I'll be dropping some information in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.